I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find your PayPal account locked and your funds inaccessible, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your credentials. This will allow you to access the notifications regarding the locked funds. Step 2. Check your notifications. Once logged in, look for any notifications or alerts on your account dashboard. PayPal usually provides details on why your account is locked and what actions you need to take. Step 3. Follow the instructions. Read the instructions provided in the notification carefully. PayPal may require you to verify your identity or provide additional information to unlock your funds. Step 4. Submit required documents. If documents are needed, gather and submit them through the PayPal Resolution Center. Make sure to double-check that all documents are clear and legible to avoid delays. A common mistake is submitting blurry images of your ID, which can lead to rejection. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, wait for PayPal to review your case. This can take a few days, so be patient. You will receive an email once your account is unlocked. I hope these steps help you recover your funds quickly. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out.